FastMCP 3 implements a resource-oriented client interface that exposes agent skills as standardized MCP resources, enabling programmatic discovery and retrieval of skill directories through a unified protocol layer. The client abstraction handles asynchronous resource enumeration and content resolution, presenting skills as addressable URIs while abstracting underlying file system operations. We will now examine how the client initializes a connection to the MCP server, lists available skill resources through URI enumeration, and reads specific skill files by resolving their resource paths. The code demonstrates the core interaction pattern, establishing a session, discovering resources, and retrieving content through protocol-defined endpoints. From FastMCP import client. Async with client as client. Hash list all skill resources. Resources equals await client list resources. For R in resources. Printer URI hash skill / my skill / skill. MD skill / my skill / manifest. Hash read a skills main instruction file. Result equals await client read resource skill / my skill / skill. MD. Print result 0, text. This code demonstrates the core client interaction pattern with FastMCP 3's skills provider, showing how to programmatically discover and access skill resources. The client class provides an async context manager for server connections, with list resources, returning all available skill URIs, and read resource, fetching specific content. The URI scheme skill / standardizes access to skill files, where each skill becomes a namespace containing its main instruction file, manifest, and supporting resources. The pattern uses async await for non-blocking I/O, crucial when dealing with potentially large skill files or remote servers. The manifest resource, manifest, serves as a discovery mechanism, allowing clients to first get metadata about available files before deciding what to fetch. This two-step approach balances efficiency with flexibility. Clients can either enumerate all resources up front or discover them incrementally through manifests. The design reflects MCP's protocol goals: standardization through consistent URI schemes and resource types, while maintaining platform flexibility. By exposing skills as MCP resources, the system enables cross-tool compatibility while preserving each tool's native directory structure. The async client pattern shown here is the primary interface developers use to integrate skills into their applications, abstracting away the underlying file system operations. Let's break it down. From FastMCP import client. Imports the client class from the FastMCP module, which provides a client interface for interacting with FastMCP resources. Async with client as client. Establishes an asynchronous context manager using the client class with the provided MCP parameter, creating a client instance that will be automatically managed within the async with block. The client variable becomes available for use within the block scope and will be properly cleaned up when the block exits. This pattern ensures resource management for the MCP client connection. Hash list all skill resources. Resources equals await client list resources. Calls the list resources method on the client object asynchronously and assigns the returned value to the resources variable. This retrieves a collection of available skill resources exposed by the MCP client, which would typically include skill directories and their associated files that can be accessed programmatically. For R in resources. Printer URI hash skill / my skill / skill. MD skill / my skill / manifest. Iterates through each resource in the resources collection and prints the URI attribute of each resource object. The output shows skill URIs following the skill // protocol, such as skill // my skill /skill. MD, and skill//myskill/manifest, indicating these are MCP resource identifiers for skill files. Hash read a skill's main instruction file. Result equals await client, read resource skill, //myskill/skill, MD. Asynchronously reads the main instruction file, skill, MD, from the MySkill skill directory using the MCP client's read resource method, storing the result in the variable result. The resource path follows the MCP skill protocol format, skill//skillname/filename. Print result 0, text. Prints the text attribute of the first element in the result list. The FastMCP 3 client interface standardizes skill access through a resource-oriented approach, where skills become addressable MCP resources with consistent URI schemes. The Async client pattern demonstrated, using Async with for connection management, list resources for discovery, and read resource for content retrieval, creates a unified workflow for interacting with skills across different tools. By exposing skills as MCP resources with standardized URIs like skill//myskill/skill, MD, the system abstracts file system operations while maintaining cross-tool compatibility. The two-step discovery pattern, first enumerating resources, then fetching specific content, balances efficiency with flexibility, allowing clients to either explore all available skills upfront or incrementally through manifests. This design reflects MCP's core principle: standardization through consistent protocols while preserving platform-specific implementations.
The skill that reads itself discovers no resources but its own reflection.